I got Jamie a new toy. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this. I'm going to say it right. Lawn Aerator. Is that how you say it? Aerator? I think so. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. That's pretty cool. So, this...
I kind of see the holes I made.
Yeah?
Here, I'll go...
Oh, yeah. Check that out. So this is great if you have pets like we do. You know, if you look at our lawn this way, it's beautiful. That's because Jamie works so hard on it. But if you have pets, you end up with spots like this, like we do. So a lot of that is caused because of drainage issues and other things. So these help more water and drainage get down to let more new grass grow.
And it will let you know really quick if you hit a rock.
It will let you know really quick if you hit a rock. All right, look how cool this is. It's got a flat plate on the bottom. You just step on it. It goes down. It comes up. And it puts holes in the ground. And it's am I saying it right? An aerator. Aerator. Sounds like alligator. Oh, that's pretty neat. You have a pair of shoes that does this as well, but this looks like it might be a little bit better.
This is way better than the shoes. The shoes are ridiculous.
Because they make you stick to the ground.
Yeah, no.
So this is definitely better?
Yeah, the springs is...
Yeah, so it's got springs here. So as the plate, as you push into it, it goes up and down. And it looks like you can adjust it a little bit if you need to.
Yeah, if you didn't want to go as deep, maybe.
Yeah, oh, yeah, them are some sharp spikes. Don't stick that in your foot.
Yeah, no.
That would hurt. I figured you'd like it. I'm like, we got to give this a try. I knew you'd use it. If you guys are looking for a great way to aerate your lawn, this is pretty cool.
We have to throw down some more seeds.
We recommend this. Jamie definitely recommends this.